Hello everyone, this is Masumjia here. So let's dive into today's insights. Today we want to set up our metapixel conversion API, which is very easy. So first you need to have your browser and server container setup integrated with Stape, which you already did. If I refresh it, it should be active or running, something like that, if you did it all correct. Now this is my Kajabi funnels. I already set up GTM, so you need to do it. Now let's get to it. First thing, you need to have your pixel created. Okay, I have created this. Now also you need to set up your lead event using GA4. Okay, like as you can see, you need to create a Google Analytics and send the events to Google Analytics, and Google Analytics act as a client, and that client will resend data to our server container. So click on it, tags on your server, come to your server container, click on tags plus new tag configuration, search for tag template gallery and search for Facebook. Yeah, that one by Facebook Incubator. Okay, now enter the pixel ID. Go to your pixel, go to settings, copy, enter it, and you need access token, right? API access token. Go to scroll down. Yes, set up dataset quality API without quality API. It will generate an access token for you. Copy that, head over to your server container and enter it, test event code. So copy that ID and enter it here. And now, okay, leave it like this. Okay, now I'll show you how to create this on your Google Tag Manager. So if you missed the last video, now come to tags, click on new, tag configuration, Google Analytics, send, and measurement ID is something we will require. So, okay, sorry, let me get my measurement ID, copy plus new. Yes, if you enter that, it will show that it's correct. Now, event name would be generate lead, means when someone submitting a form on my website, it's called lead, and generate lead is a standard event for your Google Analytics 4. Now, triggering. So, you'll create a trigger plus page view and some page view, call it page URL, and then enter. So, when someone becomes lead for me, masumjia at gmail.com. Okay, someone reached on that page, it's a lead for me. Okay, so I will just till here. Okay, and then that's thank you GA4 trigger. You can name it anything, right? I already created this. I'm just showing you how to do that. So that's it. You do it and save it. So I'll show you what I already did. On that tag, you see, I entered the event name, I entered the ID and click on that event lead, and that contains this. That means it's the same. So when someone submit a conversion or submit a form on my website, it becomes a lead for me. After changing anything, submit that form. So before that, let's grab the event name. So okay, copy this and save it on your browser container. Now we'll head over to our server container, and server container requires trigger also, right? So for trigger, we'll click on plus trigger configuration custom event, and we'll enter the event name here, what we have entered on our browser container as the event name. Okay, save this. Okay, all good, right? Now submit this. Okay, it will take few seconds of yours so that it gets published. Okay, now go to workspace, hit on preview, and go to your event manager under test events. We already tested that lead event, right, when we were submitting that form. Now I'll go to my actual page, which is this opt-in. Okay, so I'll submit the form as a user to test if this is an actually working for us or not. Okay, first test here. Generate lead generated, and it sends data to my pixel. And if I come here, I should see two events. One is from server, as you can see. One is from browser. Now on the next video, I'll guide you how to do the deduplication for that events. Okay, the basic deduplication. So that's it for now. Have a good day.